Here we have a Vinotemp 12 bottle wine cooler. This is a VT12. And this is a Peltier, Thermoelectric Peltier style cooler. This is a Thermoelectric Peltier here. It's a solid state thing, and one side gets cold and the other side gets hot. They're not real effective. They're good for keeping something 50 degrees, but that's about it. And it uses a switching mode power supply. The first thing I did was pull this apart and took a look, and sure enough, there's the swollen capacitor right there. Zoom in on this real close. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Savor the quality. VT12 Vinotemp. Let's have a listen to what this thing's doing. Let's pop a new capacitor in there and see if it makes any difference. Well, it looks like we got lucky on this one. These are a bunch of capacitors I pulled off of motherboards that were being recycled. So I popped one of these in there. A lot of these are good quality. This side is getting warm. It's a good sign. The lowest setting that it goes is 50. And it's 52 right now, so we'll see if it comes down.